Alright, let's film a little bit of this. There's not much happening. I'm just look. I'm not even looking around. I need something to eat. Um, I've got some salad at home, and I'm gonna try and get something to go with it. I think I know what it's gonna be, but we'll have a look anyway. It's just a good reason to walk around and see what's going on. I started the recording because I'm not saying I want to live here, but because I'm staying in this area, everything's available, so it makes you get more comfortable and makes you feel more at home here. So Coulson Road was like this as well, but it was too scruffy. And like, yeah, food, free pool. Oh, sounds good. Stir fried, what do I want? Stir fried rice, 120. This is crazy pricey. It's a nice little area though. Hello. Interesting. So it seems like it's, as I keep saying, right, even though it's affordable prices for us, it's still touristic prices. So like for example, right, I said this to one of the guys yesterday, if I'm gonna buy some French fries and I have to pay the same price as McDonald's, what do you think I'm gonna do? So like, they've got to bring their prices down a little bit sometimes. And like, I don't know about you guys, but I don't want to be negotiating on my food. I want to go into a place, I'm happy with them, they're happy to take my money, and we just do the transaction. I don't want to be going like a little bit less, a little bit more, because you don't know if that's going to come off the ingredients of your food, innit? So I don't play like that. I don't know where I am, but I believe I'm further up the road. Then, you know, I need to go down this way. I haven't really ventured over the river so much yet. And that's why I'm getting mad prices. So, let's have a walk down here. At the moment, this is what it's like over this side. Anytime I put Google Map in, it always tells me to go 2 or 3 streets down before I turn onto this main road. So I've got a feeling that from here to where it's telling me to get on, maybe there's nothing of interest. We'll see now. It's not that far. Yeah, I can see why. Like, I don't know what's happening. It's not inviting enough for tourists around here. Wow, look at all these tuk-tuk. And then you get this place here. This is nice. What if you got the orange juice here? Oh. Hello. This have sugar.
Orange juice, no sugar.
No sugar. Okay.
One.